When you're using these two remote controls in the same house, although they have different company names on them, they will sometimes end up in a setting where they will control corresponding wall units. So for instance, on-off 1 on this remote may control 4 on-off on this remote. On-off 2 on this remote may control on-off 3 on this remote. The way to resolve that is to flip this remote over, press the reset button, and that will change the signals that this remote sends when you press the on-off buttons. This remote also has a reset on the back, and you may be able to do the same with it.